Today I'm making chicken gravy, country style. Earlier today, I cut chicken breast up into chunks, coated it with flour and seasoning, and then put that in a covered container in the refrigerator for a few hours. And now I'm putting that into the hot oil to fry. After I've fried the chicken, I'll remove that from the skillet and set that aside while I continue with the gravy. And for the amount of gravy that I'll be making, I'll be using 4 cups of chicken stock. You can buy that or you can make it as I did. And I'll be using 1 cup of milk. And since the chicken stock is seasoned already, make sure you taste your gravy before you add any additional seasonings right before it's done. I had about 4 tablespoons of oil in my pan, so I put almost 5 tablespoons of flour, and then to that I'll add 5 cups of liquid, 4 cups of chicken stock, and 1 cup of milk. So it's going to depend on how much gravy you want. I want a large skillet of gravy. So if you're just making a small amount, maybe you want 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of flour, and 1 cup of liquid. Just use that ratio and you'll be fine. Make sure you cook your oil and your flour for a few minutes. You don't want that raw flour taste. And then as soon as it becomes brown, as brown as you would like it, then you can add your liquid. I tasted mine after I added the liquids to see if it needed further seasoning, and I did add pepper and more salt. I used a wooden spoon and a whisk, and I like to use the spoon to make sure I'm scraping everything off the bottoms and the sides, and the whisk is to make sure there are no lumps. This will take you about 10 or 15 minutes to make, and after the gravy begins to boil, just let it boil for a little while and it will thicken. And then keep in mind that it thickens even more as it cools. After your gravy's done, you can serve it in a gravy bowl or just pour that over your chicken. My chicken's boneless, so that's what I'm doing. And it would also be great over mashed potatoes or just maybe some biscuits. Just whatever you desire. So try this recipe and I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.